Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are doing moving vlog number 3. We're coming to a close with the moving vlogs. I just put up the other one from yesterday. I'll leave it above if you guys haven't checked it out yet. But today I'm gonna show you guys a lot of things that I picked up for the apartment that I think would be great additions for your apartment. I also wanna share some of my cleaning tips because cleaning white furniture is clearly a sport, and I read so many articles about what to clean, so I will give you guys my best tips. Lots of progress being made on the counters. I also cleaned up all this area, and I just need to handle what I'm gonna do with these moving blankets, probably donate them. And then boxes, we're down to one last box. So really excited to put this one up and get it out. I have this one, but it's waiting for my desk that's coming in. I also need to take this styrofoam down to the trash room, but here's a little preview of what I built this morning. So this morning was focused on the shoes, and you guys, it's still a little crazy in here, but I built this shoe shelf as well as purchased this boot rack from Container Store, and it was so easy to build. You guys, I felt stupid for never buying this before. This is a 6 shoe rack, and they do have the option to get tiers so you can add on more. You see there's like little pegs here. And then the boot rack was something I was really looking for, and essentially it just is a pole for your boot. The only thing I don't love about this is that New York City is dirty and the bottom of the shoe is pretty dirty, so I wouldn't want my clothes to touch it. So right now I have this like weird opening. If you guys have any ideas of what I can do to cover the shoes, let me know, but it helps keep the structure of the tall boot really well. So 2 great purchases. I'll leave the links below if you guys are looking for a really easy to put together, like I'm talking 10 minutes assembly from a gal who doesn't really use a screwdriver. Then I also put this up. I had one in my old apartment as well. Good for your keys, good for your mask. I wasn't sure where to put it because there is this wall here, but the problem is when you pull the door open, you would then have to go around the door. So this makes the most sense by the light fixture. It's kind of weird because it's just like this wall, but it works, it's functional. The other thing I picked up is this Studio McGee accent table, and I thought it would work perfect as a nightstand for my platform bed because it's very short and small, and it actually is the perfect height, as you guys can see. So I've got messy things on there, earplugs, my retainer, yada yada. But it's actually pretty heavy and durable. It feels hollow, like when you tap on it, but it's pretty heavy. I would say it's probably like 15 pounds. I picked this up for $110. I wanted one on West Elm, but this was a really great dupe, and it still fits into my neutral aesthetic. How could I forget the most important thing? A cord box. So I picked this up in a 3-pack on Amazon. You already know, I'm leaving the link below for you, but it is insane. Like, I don't even want to show you guys what's in there because it's terrifying. The only downside is that it doesn't house like the box and modem, but when you look at it from afar, you wouldn't even notice, and it looks so clean. I tried to loop these behind the dresser, but it's either I push the dresser over, but then it doesn't align with the couch. So for now, this looks so much better. If you guys remember my old apartment, those cords were a hot mess. On to my favorite pet project is this couch. As you guys know, I bought this couch off Apartment Deco secondhand, and I wanted to restore it as much as I could, so I looked up so many articles on what I could do. The number one thing I saw was hydrogen peroxide. So I bought this hydrogen peroxide that's supposed to be used for like cuts and all of that. It's a spray bottle, so it's really convenient. And I've just been spraying it over the couch and then wiping it with some Dawn dish soap and a microfiber towel periodically. And it does take a few tries. This is only 3%. I'm sure you can find something a little bit stronger, but it has really helped lift the water stains or lift any sort of stains on this. So I redid the whole ottoman. I also cleaned, you know, these parts as well as the sides. And honestly, after 3 or 4 uses, it works really, really well. Like, you can still see there's some discoloration here, but it's such an improvement from where it was. And my biggest tip is use the item sparingly because the water stains are real. Don't use too much soap. Don't come in there with a sopping wet sponge. Just spray and wipe. OOTD for my Valentine's Day lunch. This is probably the hottest outfit I've worn all year. So I'm wearing a misguided turtleneck, some jeans from ASOS, cowboy boots from ASOS, And this is an old Abercrombie & Fitch faux fur. It's in this really pretty maroon color. I never wear this thing because it's not practical, but I was like, I'm gonna do it. And then hoops are Saatchi NYC, and I'm wearing my Chanel bag because why not? It's 1 p.m., let a gal live. So I would not recommend this outfit on most days when it's 30 degrees, but you know, you gotta dress up a little bit, gotta take yourself out with the girls when you're single on Valentine's Day. So I'll see you guys. Just got back from brunch and we went to Trader Joe's afterwards. Gals shopping outing to Trader Joe's. I have to say, wearing a powerful outfit to Trader Joe's is a different type of flex. Like, I felt very cool in Trader Joe's. So let's start off with my favorite thing that I picked up, which is this dark chocolate ganache cake. I was like, I deserve a dessert tomorrow, and I don't know what it'll be because I'm not sure what my plans are yet. So for now, my plans are gonna be this dark ganache mini sheet cake, and it smells divine. And then for drinks, I got 2 green drinks. I'm probably gonna drink one of them right now. I got a Synergy multi-green kombucha and then the cold pressed juice. I really have been eating a lot of vegetables because of the move. I've been eating out and I can feel it. Like, my body is like, I hate you, because it wants more green vegetables. So got those. Picked up the non-dairy oat beverage. I finally got a coffee maker so I can make some decaf coffee. For breakfast or for snacks, I got these Go Macro bars. You guys know these are my favorite. This is the oatmeal chocolate chip, which is so good. It's almost too good. And then I picked up 2 of the frozen tamales, the chicken and then the green chili and cheese. I like the fresh ones, but I don't know when I'm gonna eat these. And when I got the fresh ones, I had to eat them all in like a week because they don't freeze that well. So I got the frozen ones, and I like eating these for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. They're really good. Also got some Thai shrimp gyoza. These ones sell out really fast, so if you don't see them at your Trader Joe's, definitely recommend picking them up when you do. I find they're not always there, but these are so tasty. They're better than the standard gyoza that Trader Joe's has, in my opinion. And for produce, I didn't get a ton just because I do have some produce back in my old apartment and I want to use that up. I don't like to food waste. So I got some asparagus and some Brussels sprouts and then some avocados as well to go with the tamales. Tastes brewy. Wow. I forgot how like fermented kombucha tastes. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, the bar stools are up. They are from Polly & Bark. I will leave them below. They were a breeze to put together. The box is gigantic and really heavy for those of you thinking about ordering it, but I got it on Amazon on sale, so I got a really good deal. I got 3 of these for $200, which is insane. The quality is so nice. They feel so sturdy. And like I said, a breeze to put together. I think I did them in like 5 minutes each. So in total, it took me like max 15 minutes. I highly recommend them if you're thinking about getting some bar stools that are a little bit more affordable. And then I built my desk over here. I'm a little bummed because this chair is slightly too tall. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm just gonna deal with it or if I'm gonna get like a platform riser for my computer, do it that way. I also have my monitor, so there's some options there, but I'm a little bummed. I should have known, being that this was a adjustable counter stool, that it was probably going to be a little too tall for this desk. But this desk was a nightmare to put together. The screws didn't line up, the holes in it were off, and I personally would not recommend it. I don't think I'm ever going to be buying cheap furniture again, because you really do get what you pay for, and this was trash. I'm all set with my skincare for the night. I'm gonna end off vlog here, just gonna watch some Gilmore Girls and relax. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you who are celebrating, and for those of you who are single like myself, I hope you guys have a fabulous Valentine's Day. Mine will be filled with lots of furniture making because I'm too busy to hang out this weekend. So I literally told everyone, I was like, I'm sorry, I'm busy. And I really have been, and I feel so happy about it, because otherwise I would have had to go into the week with a haphazard apartment. No, not the business. So I will see you guys all in the next one. Be sure to subscribe down below if you enjoy seeing the moving vlog as well as New York vlogs, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye.